So I drive past this bank every single day on my way home from work. But right next to it, it's a huge pond. Let's see what's in here. I'm just gonna cast off a little worm right here. Let's hope for the best. Got something. Yep. There we go. Blue bluegill. Not too bad. These are pretty much a go-to fish for anyone who's trying to start out fishing. They're really easy to catch. All you got to do is just put a little piece of worm on any hook, really. But yeah, nice little fish. Let's go ahead and put them back. Let's see what else we can catch. Fresh piece of worm. Let's see what takes it. There we go. Right, hold on. Hold still. Hold still. Alright, another little bluegill. Not the most impressive fish, but they're still fun to catch. Like I said in the target video, you're not going to know what you're going to catch unless you try it. So, yep, little bluegill right in front of the bank. Let's put them back. And again, I encourage anyone to go try any body of water they have in their area, because you never know if there's going to be fish in there or not. But thank you guys again for hanging out with me. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.